In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your YouTube channel to a Facebook page. If you're new here, I'm Michael, and without further ado, let's get started. First, you want to make sure you are signed into Facebook and you're acting as the page manager. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of your page. You're going to see some of the pages that you manage. If you can't find your page, click on CO and click on the profile that you would like to manage. Once you have done that, it should take you to your Facebook page. Now, to connect your YouTube to Facebook page, simply click on About and then scroll down to this section where you see website and social link. If you've not added a social link before, you're going to see add social link in this section. Since we've already added a link to our LinkedIn profile, then you will see the options add now. Click on the pencil icon and you should see add a social link. Click on add a social link and then come to this section and click on Instagram. Select YouTube to connect YouTube to your Facebook page, and then here you can enter your YouTube username. To get your YouTube username, head over to your channel on YouTube and you want to copy anything before the @ sign. Once you have copied it, paste it in this section. Once you have pasted it, click on save. To view the changes you've made, click on this 3 dots and then click view as, and then click on about. And then anytime someone visits your page, in the about section, the YouTube URL will be in this section. When they click on this link, it's going to take them to your YouTube channel. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to connect YouTube channel to your Facebook page. If you found this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have that post notification bell turn on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.